Vesta with the hiccups.
I hope I stop now, just make it look stupid. Why are you taking so much pleasure in my pain? This is hurting me. Try to play FIFA, get lost. I'm not looking very attractive right now, am I?
You look pretty.
I know you're lying to me.
10 hours later.
God, I'm so good at FIFA. Turn it off now, alright, bloody hell.
Come on, give us one more for the camera.
There you go. I'll get lost. You said one more.
Who's that, Freddy?
I am. I am. That's it. You're not having any more. I'm not a fucking monkey to perform. Stop it!
Try doing one without moving your head.
Actually, it's part of the effect. Part of the effect.
Hold your breath.
No, it hurts. It honestly hurts. I can't do that. Ah. What a fucking time to get hiccups.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
And wave.
Bye.
Blow kisses. And one more kiss.
What?
Bye, Vesta.
Bye, Charles.